Hey everyone, welcome back to Inkmatic. Back here with another portfolio update. Just want to say a massive shout out to everyone who subscribed and a massive thank you. We have reached 118 subscribers, which is amazing. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2020, which is awesome. So let's get started. As you can see now, the portfolio stands at £2,617.39. The return so far is £142.67. I'm up 5.77%. Pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with that. So as you can see, AMD is up 10.45%. I'm up 74p. I currently have a fifth of a share. I also have Alibaba, which is up 5.29%. I have 0.4 of a share. I'm up £3.51p. So this one here, I am pretty much certain that I'm going to increase my position in this. I might buy like another fifth of a share to make it to 0.6 or more. There's a few that I really want to look into investing a little bit more, just because they're down. Obviously, I've seen a few opportunities as well, which I'll go through, and I wish I did buy, but just lack of funds, to be honest. So other one, Apple is doing absolutely really well. It is up 11.36% since I invested. Bear in mind, I don't really call this an investment because it's 0.01 of a share and it's only £2.45. It was just like an entry point for me. So like when I see it drop below my 285, I will purchase a bit more to it. So that's just a placeholder for me right now. BAE Systems is doing really well at the moment. It is up 14.9% since I invested. I'm up £4.85. The last transaction that I made was around the 18th of October. So since the 18th of October to now, it's up 14.9%. That's £4.85. So I'm really happy with that. Barrett is almost £8. Wow. I am up 34.6%. I've got 8 shares and I'm up £16.43. My last transaction for this was my last buy here. So this was the 10th of October. So since the 10th of October, I've made £16.43 on this investment. Plus, I believe they did pay a dividend somewhere. Yeah. So yeah, back in November. So pretty happy with that one. BMO Commercial Property. So this is absolutely not doing that great. So I've got 36 shares, total value of £40. I'm down 2p. That's 0.05%. I've got an average price of £1.12. So 112.5p, let's say that. So with this one, I am looking for it to get to like 116, 117, and I'm just going to close the position on this on both my platforms, mainly because I don't see this actually going anywhere. I just want to close it, and that money might go into British Land or somewhere else. I just feel like, yes, it's a monthly dividend, but at the same time, it only yields about 5%. And I feel like it's a little bit more riskier than other stocks. So for that reason, I do see me closing this position when the price is right. Boeing is actually not doing quite well. So I think Boeing's going to be in a bit of trouble with the FAA. Well, a bit more trouble with the FAA. And I think this is going to see a bigger drop before they get anything solid. At the same time, the 737 MAX is a huge issue for them now, and the fact that they've been declassified from A to A-, which is probably going to impact their share price a lot, and it might have already done so. BP BP, I think I've changed my mind on this. I think for me, this is going to be like a little hold stock. At the moment, I currently have 15 shares with an average price of £4, 475.66p. So £4.76 basically. I'm up 4.47%. That's £3.19p. I think I'm going to hold on this for a while. British land. So this is actually down for me. I'm down quite a bit, but this is something that I will be looking to increase my position in. So I currently have 15 shares with an average price of £5.97p. The current price is £5.88. I'm down 1.61%. That's £1.44. I'm not going to increase it as much as I would like to. So yeah, I want to increase it, but we'll see. But one thing that's interesting is that commercial property, British land have both dropped in value over the last week, maybe a week and a half. So that could be down to politics, that we're coming closer to the 31st of January when the UK leaves the EU. Hopefully it doesn't, but I'm not sure. So what's kind of funny as well is that I'm not actually sure how it's going to work, because with the last one or the one before that, I kind of like had a bit more confidence in it that it was going to happen, but we'll see. But yeah, I do think it's going to impact the stock quite a bit, and at the same time, I do think there might be some buying opportunities that come around the 31st of January. So it'll be interesting to see what happens around that time. BT has also dropped quite a bit. It's dropped, so over the last week, it has dropped 4.91%, and in the month, it's dropped 10%. So it's quite a lot, and I'm down. I've got 51 shares now. I did increase my position a little bit from 45 to 51, I think. I'm down £1.16p. That's 1.22%. Average price I've got is now at £1.85p. Cisco Systems, I have 0.3 of a share. I'm up 2.63%, so it's doing all right. Cloudflare, I've sold 4 shares of this. I've got 18 shares remaining, and I'm up 0.27%. So I do expect Cloudflare to drop to around $17 again. And when it does, I'll rebuy those 2 just to bring my average price down. Deutsche Telekom. Deutsche Telekom isn't doing too well. It's down 4.27%, but I think it has been increasing in the last week. I take that back. Maybe it hasn't. So I've got £50 in that. Direct Line is absolutely killing it at the moment. So in the last month, it's up 5.3%. In the last week, it's down 1.83. And so yeah, basically I've got 100 shares, which total up to £333.30p. It's quite a lot of threes in that. Return, I'm up 22.34%. That's £60.87p. Average price is £2.72p. So I'm really happy with this one. I think this was actually a good buy. And with this one, I do believe they pay around an 8% dividend. I think that's around what I paid for it based on my average price. Obviously, this could be lower because the share price is considerably higher now. Drax Group is also doing all right. Wow, it's dropped quite a lot. What? It's down 11.79%. So this could be a little buying opportunity for me. But I'm still up 2.65%. That's £1.09. Potentially, I might be able to increase this to 20 shares, but we'll see. DS Smith. DS Smith is absolutely Well, it's not doing too well, to be honest. It is down 7.6%. So potentially this could be coming down to the average price of £3.48. When it does, I'll probably increase it to 15 shares. But I'm still up 3.02%, which is £1.26. Hastings Direct, I did miss a buying opportunity here. I did see it drop to 170, but yeah, I missed out on that buying opportunity. I've got 95 shares with an average price of £1.73. I'm up 1.63%, that's £2.68p. Lloyd's is another one that's dropped recently over the last week. It did drop to around 57.37p. I've got 69 shares, so I have increased my position in this. I'm up 2.41%, that's 95p. My average price is now 57.13p. So basic 57p. My average price has increased based on the increase in shares. So I do expect to increase Lloyd's. Lyft is also doing well. It's up 5.93%. MasterCard is just a placeholder for me at the moment. Micron is up 5.98%. Microsoft is up 5.48%. New River REIT is up 1.66%. That's £5.32p. So this has dropped quite a bit recently. I will be increased. Actually, no, I think they do have a dividend paying next month or March. So I'll be looking forward to that. It's around £9.70, I think. Neo is doing really well. It's up 34.92%. I've only got 8 shares in that, but happy days. Page Group is up 19.04%. I think that's a little bit less than last week. I only have 3 shares, so I'll probably be looking to close that position at some point. PayPal, I've got a fifth of a share. I'm up 6.96%. Plymouth Industrial REIT is a new one for me. I'm up 1.36%. That's 19p. They do pay around an 8% dividend yield, so it should be pretty good. I might increase my position in this. It's only 1 share at the moment, but if you factor in, I don't know, the 15% withholding tax, it might be around 6%. So it might be worth a little look into. Again, do your own homework. Redrow is also doing really well. I'm up 27.66%. That's £6.70. Siemens, I am looking to increase my position in Siemens to try and get it to a whole share, but we'll see when that happens. I'm up 0.19%, which is good, but I also kind of want it to drop so I can increase my position. Telefonica isn't doing too well. I'm down 6.12%. My average price is €6.52. I've got 16 shares and I'm down £5.47p. Tesla is doing really, really well. It's up 19.61%. That's £4.50 on 0.07 of a share. So minimal gains, minimal shareholding, but good gains. Twitter is also doing really well. I'm up 14.44% on 2 shares. Uber is also doing really well. I'm up 22.21%. Visa is a placeholder, and so is Walt Disney. So that's pretty much it for my portfolio this week. Let me know what you think. What stocks are you currently looking at? Also, I've done a little bit of research into my portfolio, and I think for me, between April, May and June are going to be my biggest dividend payouts. So that's basically from, off the top of my head, I think it's from possibly BT, British Land, Direct Line, possibly Drax and DS, I'm not sure. Hastings Direct is one. HSBC, I think, is one. Lloyd's is one. So let me know. Oh, and probably, no, I don't think New River Re is. But what do you think is going to be your highest dividend month for 2020? I'm going to say, for me, I'd probably say May is probably going to be my biggest dividend payout. So I'd love to know what yours is. So that's it for this video. Leave a comment down below on what you think your highest dividend month is going to be. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it useful. Also, if you're interested in trying out this platform, you can use my referral link and you'll get a free share worth up to £100. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next update.